TK Pro is an industry-leading, globally used safety permitting software. Are you looking to improve your safety permitting process and easily meet your country's health and safety requirements? TK Pro will work for you. We can configure TK Pro to match the process you're already familiar with to meet those requirements. Do you both read and speak in a different language? TK Pro will work for you. We can translate the entire application so you can read and use it in your own native language. Are you in another country and need to adhere to the HSE? TK Pro will work for you. We can house country-specific risk assessments in order to meet your country's health and safety guidelines. We listen and work with our clients to figure out the perfect permitting solution. Regardless of where you are in the world, we want to help keep you and your company safe. TK Pro, the global leader of safety permitting.